know you are the reason you are not getting viewers on your YouTube channel? Yes, you are the reason. If you follow these 4 tips I'm going to show you now, if you follow these 4 tips I'm about to show you now, you are going to hit a lot of viewers on your YouTube channel, both subscribers. Yes, number one thing is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very important in any of your thing in YouTube. If you're posting video, your thumbnail is very, very important. Your eye-catching thumbnail is very important in anything you are doing, because thumbnail is all about telling viewers about your video. So when creating eye-catching thumbnail, it will attract people to your YouTube. Once they see the thumbnail, they are going to click it to know what is happening. Number two is consistency. Consistency is the key. Every day, make sure you post a video. Every blessed day, make sure you create a video. Even if you are not posting every day, make sure every blessed day you create a video and put it on listed. Put it on listed. Me, every blessed day I create a video, but every day I don't post a video on my YouTube channel. Instead, all of them, I will put all of them in listed. Every 3 days. I put one in public. Every 3 days, I put one in public. It's very important to be creating video every blessed day. It will help you to improve yourself in content creation journey. Really, it will help you, and it will help your channel to grow fast. Yes, it will help you. Number two is setting. Your setting. Depend the hashtag you are using. The hashtag really dey important in any of your thing, any of your video you are posting. Make sure your hashtag is corresponding with the video you made. If you made video about educational, make sure your hashtag is all about educational. Yes, your hashtag really matters in any of your video you are posting. Your hashtag is very important. It's very, very important. Number two is that the fourth one is make sure you put your video unlisted. Don't put your video in public once you want to post a video. Put your video unlisted. Like, for if you put your video, like, let me say 5 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours unlisted before setting it to public for people to watch, it will allow YouTube to understand what your video is all about. Then the YouTube algorithm will understand people to push your video to. Yes, it's really important. It's not that if you want to post a video on YouTube, you just set it public and post them. Make sure you post your video on YouTube, then you put it unlisted, like 4 hours, 3 hours, more than a day before you set it to public. Yes, YouTube will understand what your video is all about, understand the people to push your video to. Yes, it's really important. No matter what, consistency is the key. Yes, consistency is the key. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friends. And if you also see this video helpful on your channel, please don't forget to also subscribe and also share too. Thank you all.